What is up guys? It's me Yeldo. So today, magmamaster tayo ng song using my pro mastering chain. Alright, so let's get started. So etong process ko nga pala sa pagmamaster ay heavily inspired by Depp, one of the best mastering engineers out there. Okay, so I have a track here. Play lang natin a little bit.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up. Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up, level up. Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up, level up.
Now, I will turn off lahat ng mga plugins and i-breakdown ko sila one by one. First plugin is I have here BX Console SSL 9000J. So this one is naka-on etong analog button and naka-high pass filter ito up to 25 Hz.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up.
I don't usually use na mag-high pass sa master pero this time I feel like nag-overpower yung low end kaya kinat ko na lang ng very slight. And then Wise EQ1, naka mid-side mode and naka-unganged, tas naka-shelf. Similar to sa settings na ginagawa ni Depp sa Neve Soma niya. 800 Hz, channel 1, tas sa channel 2 is 77 Hz to 11K. So, binibring out neto yung top end ng side channels.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up. Brand new season.
Next is Wise EQ again. Ito naman is naka left-right mode. Little bit of processing lang sa left and right channels just to give it a 3D effect.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up.
Tas another Wise EQ na naman na naka-ganged. In stereo mode naman ito. Tas little low shelf boost sa my 13 Hz para to give the bottom end a little extra boost.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up. Brand new season.
Next is a limiter, BX XLV2. It looks like na nasa 50 Hz yung mono maker dito kasi I want to make the sub-information mono.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up.
Next is newfangled elevate, 2.5 dB of gain reduction. Thus I've altered yung low end a little bit to make it compress less.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up. Brand new season, level up.
Next naman is Pulsar 8200. Adding lang ako ng konting sparkle or shine sa my top end.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up. Brand new season.
Tas MD4, nakaset ito sa mid-side mode. So this will make the track na parang gigantic yung tunog kasi the mids and the sides are separately being processed. Tas slight boost sa my 3K para to give it extra warmth sa track.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up. Brand new.
And then last sa chain is BX limiter through peak. A little bit of saturation, tas making sure na di siya nag-clip sa true peak.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up. Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset.
And And then meron pa pala akong extra plugin dito, another limiter. This is to make sure na di nag-overshoot yung previous limiter natin. Pero this time, di ko siya ginamit kasi contented na ako dun sa BX limiter.
Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Yeah. Brand new season, level up. Brand new knowledge, level up. Brand new mindset, level up. Level up, level up.
So that is it guys on how I master my tracks. If nakatulong tong video sa inyo or sa mixing and mastering journey ninyo, please like this video and subscribe ka na din if di ka pa nakasubs sa channel ko. Thanks for watching guys. Happy mixing and bye bye.